In this video, I will show you how to send crypto on Crypto.com. So to do this, first gonna open up the Crypto.com app, and from the home screen, click on the Send button. And from here, gonna click on the Accounts tab at the bottom. Now here, select the cryptocurrency that you want to send to another wallet. For example, I'll do Bitcoin. And from here, scroll down a little bit, and then under Balance, you will see the Withdraw button. So go and click Withdraw, and then choose who you want to send it to. This can be the Crypto.com exchange, another Crypto.com user, or an external wallet. I'll do an external wallet. Then here, I've already done this a few times before, so I already have some wallets. But if you haven't sent to this wallet before, click on the plus in the top right, and then select wallet address. And here just paste in the wallet address, select if you are the owner of this wallet address or not, and if you're not, enter the recipient's details such as their name, country, and under wallet type, choose what exchange this wallet is. If it's, for example, a Phantom wallet, then you need to do non-custodial wallet. But if it's Coinbase, for example, select Coinbase. Now I'll just use one of the addresses I already have right here, such as my Coinbase Bitcoin address right here at the top. Then click Confirm and Withdraw, and now choose how much you want to withdraw. For example, 10 euros, then click Withdraw. Now there is a minimum, so this is not enough, but you can also click Max, which is the max that you own. And from there you can just click Withdraw, then confirm it, and if you have two-factor authentication turned on, you will need to enter a 2FA code, and after doing that, it will be on its way to your recipient's wallet. So that's how to send crypto on Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.